Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about comments in JavaScript. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, I have to create the file. The file name is comments.html, comments.html, right? So here I will write HTML5 and in the title I will write comments in JavaScript, right? So here I'll take p tag, and ID is equal to item, right? So I'll write script tag, right? Script tag, and here I'll write document dot get element by ID, right? ID, and the ID is item, and dot inner HTML is equal to I am Iron Man, right? I have written document.getElement by ID, and I have taken the ID item, and I want to display the text which is I am Iron Man on the output, right? So to specify the comments, so you can use the single line comments, single line comments, right? So this is the single line comments. Let's see will it work or not. Save it and press on F5. Okay, it's not working. Okay. Yeah. So inside the script, it will work. Inside the script, it will work because inside the script, it will treat as a JavaScript. So you can use single line comments as double slash and multi-line comments as, for example, this below statement will display the text in the p tag, right? 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 In the p tag, right? The below statement will display the text in the p tag, right? So to display a single line comment, you have to use the double slash, right? For example, I'll copy this thing, and I will paste it here. I'll paste it here, and I will divide this statement into three statements. Now we are having three lines, right? So for the multi-line comments, you have to use slash star and star slash. So for the multi-line comments, you have to use the slash star and the star slash, right? For the single line comments, you have to use double slash. For the single line comments, you have to use double slash. So let's run this program and go to the Google Chrome, or you can get as F5. Yes, now the comments are working, right? Now the comments are working. You can't see these statements on the output, right? So which means the comments are working. So I hope you understand how to write the single line comments and the multi-line comments. So if you have any doubts in the comments concept, just please comment in the chat. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please do like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.